Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best band saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Band Saws. As one of the smoothest cutting tools any woodworker will have, a bandsaw is on just about the same level of versatility as a router. Used primarily for cutting curves or other unusual cuts into wood, is also used to rip lumber, make cross cuts, or even cut metal. They come in various sizes, from large floor standing models, smaller benchtop models, and portable electric models. Number 5. Milwaukee Cordless Subcompact Band Saw. Handle type D-handle, tool length 12-inch and tool weight 6.75 pounds, includes 18 TPI subcompact band saw. Main features: powerful motor, cuts 3/4 of an inch. Compact size and lightweight. Battery and charger sold separately. Number 4. Makita XBPO2Z 18V Cell XT Lithium-ion Cordless Band Saw. Makita built high-torque motor and a compact design with less weight for a range of cutting applications in a variety of metal materials. Main features: variable speed control. Trigger switch with lock-off. Makita built motor. Number 3. 10-inch 3.5 amp band saw tack life. We have our professional products monitoring team to focus on every single detail that matters to you and develop well-made, portable, exquisite products. Main features: magnetic LED working light, double speeds adjustment, aluminum table extension. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Portable Band Saw. The centered handle position provides superior balance, ergonomics, and allows for more accurate. A LED work light with 20 seconds delay illuminates dark work. Main features: battery and charger sold separately. Dual bearing blade guide rollers. Blade tracking adjustment. Number 1. Wendt 3962 2-speed band saw with stand. The design of this saw uses 72-inch blades anywhere from 1/8 to 1/2 inches in size for a variety of both intricate. Main features: 3.5 amp motor. Operates at 2 speeds. 2-year warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.